I was given 4 boxes of hair clips. In the first box, there were 3 identical red clips. In the second box, there are 4. In the third box, there are 2 purple. And in the last box, there are 7 black clips. So I want to find a number of ways which I can choose at least 1 clip from any of these boxes. So at least one. Some of you actually told me that you don't understand the meaning of this at least one. So at least 1 clip from any of these boxes. This just means that, you know, if I have the boxes of red, I have the boxes of green, I have the boxes of purple, and the boxes of black. I can pick at least one from anywhere. I can pick at least one means I can pick one from here, I can pick one from here, or I can pick 2 from here, I can pick 0 from here. Right, so this I can pick, I can so pick 1 0 0 0, I can pick 0 1 0 0, I can pick 0 1 1 2, for example. So there can be so many combinations, right? So the thing, how do we think about this? So if some of the students who are able to see this, I actually use a gigantic tree diagram to show you. So number 1 is you can think that this is as though we are choosing the red clip first. So imagine if, for example, if I first just look at the red clip, if I think about the red clip, how many ways can I go about choosing it? I can choose 0, 1, 2, 3, right? So I can choose a red, I can also don't choose a red. So that's like probably 4 ways. And then I go to the green clips. How many ways can I choose it? It's like I can choose 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, because there are a total of 4 clips. So if I look at the green, right, it's like there's a total of 5 ways, right? So you just consider the second branch itself. It's like the first one I have 4 ways, and the second one for each branch I have 5 ways. It's like 4 times 5, right? And then in any of this green branch, after I'm going to choose probably the maybe, let's say I'm going to choose maybe the purple clips. So again, there are 2 purple, so it can be 0 1 2 purple clips, correct? And then again, there could be 3 ways. So it's like a times 3, because each of the branch give me 3 ways. And then I go to the black clip. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in the black ways, again, there are a total of 8 ways per branch. So it's like times 8. And you see that total, if you get any size, it's going to be 480 ways. Alright, so that's really what it means. It means that if I go to any box, I can choose any number. Alright, and how many ways? Basically, it's just 4 times 5 times 3 times 8. If you cannot visualize this, then just think about it. So you're doing a gigantic tree diagram. Alright, so is that all? That's not all. Because this represents all the number of ways I can choose. I must subtract, because the fact is I must take at least one. I need to subtract the possibility that I don't choose at all, which is 0. So this itself is 1 way. So if I take this and minus 1 way, my total will be 479 ways. Right? So some of you ask, is it because is it something to do with the order or the kind of thing? No, I wouldn't say that this is something to do with order. But more importantly, you must go through the thinking process that I've selected the red. Then I go to the green, how many ways can I select? And I go to the purple, how many ways can I select? So you can imagine as though I'm going to the boxes, and how many ways can I select from each box? Alright, I can think in terms of the box. Okay, so like one way is I told you, is like personify. You go and think in terms of the box, maybe the red box. How many ways can Mary choose a clip from me? There are a total of 5 ways. How many? I go to the, it's like a question in your, remember the coin or the book question, right? I go to the green box. How many ways can you choose from me? I go to the blue box. How many ways can you choose from me? I go to the black box. How many ways can you choose from me? Alright, so that very quickly you can actually get your answer. And then after you just minus the way which it doesn't choose anyone. Okay.